Velocity's POTS-in-a-Box technology, powered by Data Remote, provides the core voice and data functionalities of POTS, Play-Node telephone service, without the slow-to-install and expensive copper infrastructure. Velocity's POTS line replacement solution, combining Data Remote's trusted hardware endpoints and Velocity's SIP band network, provides reliable, managed VoIP-based analog phone lines that connect to new or existing elevator emergency lines, security alarm system lines, fire panel lines, fax machines, voice, data, and other applications. Why is POTS-in-a-Box important? FCC forbearance was passed August 2, 2019, putting an aggressive upward pressure on pricing for all copper lines, giving local exchange carriers the ability to legally shut off copper lines on PSTN. All businesses that use POTS lines for any of their systems needed to have switched over to digital methods by August of 2022. Velocity's POTS-in-a-Box is currently the closest to a real POTS line, PSTN replacement device. The POTS-in-a-Box system was designed to be easy to install and have no learning curve. The time to replace your POTS system is now. Before anything breaks, your system goes haywire, or your provider spontaneously shuts off your service, our team of experts can help you install and set up your new POTS-in-a-Box system. Learn more about Velocity's POTS-in-a-Box solution today.